Serenity Crafts by Maria. Come and see a world of art where you can...
Hi guys, welcome back to Serenity Crafts by Maria. Today I'm going to try and tackle the, it's either called a web or lace effect. It's the very first time I've ever done this and I'm going to try and do it in my own way. I've watched several videos and it's always done differently, so I'm going to see what I can do. I'm going to wing it. So I have made up 400 mils, which is a lot, but I have got Wolfie that needs filling up if I've got leftovers. If not, then that's fine. I am going to separate this into 2 cups here, one for the white, one for the mica powder. I will be using the Eye Candy Amadori, is it? It was my favourite colour out of the 20 pack that I got from ccukresin.com, and that's the 3D printed pot I did, and I just stuck the 2 hearts, one covered in black background and this one was a white background. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up the white. I'm using the Teexpert pigment paste in pure white. It's really good for blooms and, well, everything else really. I am getting a bit low on this one. I have got more. I want to use this one up first. I think I'm going to have to store this one upside down now. I'm going to get that stirred up. So I use the pigment paste, and the key is pigment paste and then a mica, or you can use alcohol inks or tints or whatever, but I want to use these mica powders from Eye Candy. As soon as I've wanted them for like forever and I finally got some. Right, that can now stay there. We can now mix in the pigment powder, mica powder from Eye Candy. Oh, look at that, it's stunning. Oh, look. Yeah, so this one is actually the one that I can pronounce. My favourite one of the colours was the one that I can't pronounce, which is like Okiwana or something like that. I can't remember. I just know I couldn't pronounce it. This was my favourite one. Okinawa blue. But I wanted to use a colour shift in this, and that and the haiku was my favourite ones. I also like Fiji. I like them all. Who am I kidding? Right, so I've got that mixed in. I have been mould making over the last couple of days, and I managed to mould some crystals. My daughter actually gave them to me and said, "Mum, could you mould these for me?" So I said, yeah, that's fine. Right, and I'm going to put a very thin layer in the bottom of this coaster. Not everybody does this, but I'm going to see what it happens. And then spin it all around just to give it a nice, even, thin coat. To get this effect, you need to use a pigment paste with something a little bit lighter, like a mica powder or an alcohol ink, like I said, or a tint. That should create the lace or the web effect, whatever you want to call it. I'm not taking temperatures. I never have for a bloom. I never have for anything I've poured, to be fair. So I'm just going to carry on. I'm going to bend the cup a little bit, and I want to get it as neat as I can, which isn't very neat by the look of it. I'm not very good at pouring it from a cup. Right, now I'm going to do the Amadori from Eye Candy next, and I'm going to go where I wanted it to go in the first place. This is not neat at all, but let's just see what happens. I'm going to now fill it up with clear. If I haven't filled them up too much, I'm going to drop some blue glass, which I have filled them up too much. Look, it's coming over already. I don't hold out much hope for them. But I am going to just use the rest of this in this one for now. That is a beautiful colour. And then I'm just going to pour clear on that one. And then with this one, I'm going to use some plum alcohol ink from Octopus. Got to give this a good old shake. I'm just going to put it into the mould straight away. It might stain, but it might not. I'm just going to pour. I've got some left over and some white. I'll find something to pour these into. These are the main video today, so I'll find something to put that into and I will bring you back when they're ready to demold. I'll see you soon. Hey guys, welcome back. Well, these are not what I was expecting. It is the next day and they are cured. I'm going to do these crystals first because it's the first time I've poured these moulds. I only made them a couple of days ago. And I'm just going to see how they mould. I don't put too much thought into the first pour of a mould because I just like to see how it acts. And it's beautiful actually. It's really sparkly. I love that. That's cute. So yeah, that one worked. And this one. That's beautiful. This is the original, which is a real amethyst. That's beautiful. I like that. Very sparkly. Really happy with those moulds. And this, I poured the leftover white into the eye candy blue that I used, and it looks like it's gone like really crackly. Looks like his brain's showing. Not sure how I feel about that. So I'm just going to see what this turned out like, because I'm going to do this one first because it's where I messed up the pattern majorly on this one with the white. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Too much white, far too much white. I knew that though. I am going to try these again. So Friday's video will be doing this again, but I'm going to use a bottle for better precision. So keep them neat and see what happens then. Yeah, same. Still quite bendy. It is only like 12 hours since I poured them though, because it's 10 to 3 and I poured them really early this morning. Yeah, do you know what? I don't hate them. Just don't like them 100%. But I don't hate them. But yeah, you can see the wispiness of the white behind that is really pretty, like on this side here. So yeah, I think that's kind of a fail, although it did something, but it didn't do what I was hoping it would do. So I'm going to try these again, and it will be Friday's video, and hopefully we'll get the web effect. Fingers crossed. Less white, I think. I love these. That's so sparkly in there. Really cute. Love it. That's from this one. It's really pretty. So yeah, I'm really happy with these. I can see this being one that I use quite a lot. It's really pretty. So thank you so much for joining me. Take care of yourself, guys. Bye.
Vanity Crafts by Maria. Come and see a world of art where you can just be free with resin flow.